how to fix Fortnite controller FPS drop problem. To do this, press the Windows and I keys simultaneously to open settings. After opening settings, click apps on the left and then installed apps. Type Microsoft Game Input into the search bar. The next thing we need to do is uninstall Microsoft Game Input. After uninstalling, we need to prevent it from being automatically recreated. To do this, right-click the desktop and select Text Document from the New section. Name this text file Microsoft Game Input. After creating the file, press F2 and delete the .txt extension at the end. After deleting, press Enter and click Yes to proceed. Copy the file and open File Explorer. After opening File Explorer, paste this file into the Program Files and Program Files x86 folders. This will prevent the Windows Game Input file from being recreated. Now you can check whether the Fortnite controller FPS drop problem is solved or not.